Welcome to this Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we'll look at different ways to use the Polygon Markup tool. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, make sure the Snap to Content option is enabled at the bottom of your workspace. This allows your markup to lock accurately to the underlying PDF content. Now, select the Polygon tool from your toolbar. Zoom into your drawing area, then click once to place your first anchor point. Move to the next vertex and click again. Hold Shift while moving your cursor to keep the line horizontal or vertical. Continue placing anchor points along the edges of your shape. When you reach a curved section, this part requires careful handling. Place a point at the start of the curve, then click and hold as you place the next point, and press the Control key. This converts the straight segment into a curve. Adjust the curve by moving your cursor until it matches your drawing. Then, click on the line segment of your drawing region that follows that curve. Continue tracing along until you reach your first point, and then double-click to close the shape. Zoom in on the curve and use the yellow adjustment handle to refine it. This is how you can create a polygon selection and apply markups to any complex geometry on your PDF. If shaping a curve during drawing feels difficult, you can use another approach. Select the Polygon tool and start marking your anchor points. Draw the shape normally with straight segments, including across the curved area. On reaching the curved section, ignore it and make a linear selection. Then double-click on reaching the first anchor to close the polygon. Zoom in, right-click the straight segment over the curved region, and choose Convert to Arc. Use the yellow handle to fine-tune the curve so it matches the drawing. You can also create rectangles using the Polygon tool, since a rectangle is simply a four-sided polygon. Select the Polygon tool, click and drag, instead of clicking and releasing to draw the rectangle. Release when you reach the opposite corner to create the rectangular shape. You can also create a perfect square with the Polygon tool. To do this, select the Polygon tool or a simple rectangle tool to create a square shape. This technique will work with both. Click and drag to draw a rectangle. However, if you press the Shift key, your shape will transform into a square. When you move away from the first anchor, its length and width will increase equally. If the square doesn't align perfectly, adjust it using the yellow handle along its edge. The same approach applies when making a selection for area and volume measurements. That's all for today. Also, watch our review measurement tutorials to simplify your workflows in Revu and stay connected with Brighter Graphics.